Hello everybody, I'm LightningGamer and I'm back with some Sly Cooper. We got 3 missions, 2 Murray missions, so that one's technically just like not even a Murray mission. We got Frame Team Iceland and Frame Team Belgium. Two of the most fun, from what I can remember, and entertaining and like interesting little thingies on in this game, you know? I really like these games. Like, I really like this map. It's a really cool map and it has really good missions. There's like 1 or 2 maybe bad ones, but let's jump into it.
Alright, see that armored supply truck? It's en route to drop off Team Iceland's lucky ice sculpture for the semi-finals tomorrow. I've given the drivers some bad directions, so they should be going around in circles for hours.
But the hotel is right there.
Inside that truck, steal the sculpture, and plant some evidence implicating Team Belgium.
Good thinking. Team Iceland won't be gunning for me if they think the Belgians stole their lucky hunk of ice.
Wasn't this in the slideshow?
Well, that's the idea. Now, the first thing to do is steal one of Team Belgium's official gold lace monogrammed handkerchiefs. Murray will head inside and get one of those stodgy Belgians laughing. They're notoriously stone-faced. Then I'll move in and steal the handkerchief.
That's racist, by the way.
Seems like getting inside that truck might be a good job for the guru. He could use some of the guards' heads to bash in the back doors.
Agreed. I'll make sure he's in position.
So this one's interesting. I think I get to be with Murray here. He's wearing what a pilot would look like he would wear, but he's still gonna be in costume. We gotta make.
Okay, Murray,
See,
no
look,
pressure.
he still has
But
a
you've gotta
mask.
find a Team Belgium pilot and get him laughing so hard that Bentley can make the pull. This is serious business, pal. Those guys are uptight. If they notice being robbed, we'll be kicked out of the ACES competition.
Hello, Belgium Flyer. Do you like comedy? I think it's time for Mr. Salty Pants to crack a smile. What do you say? Why did the chicken cross the road to France? Because it wasn't turkey. And you see, the chicken's not a turkey or a Turk. It's a chicken, a French hen.
What?
What was Genghis Khan's favorite meal? The brains of his enemy. Get it? I mean, it's more weird and gross than funny, but I mean, you gotta admit, it's pretty weird.
Are these supposed to be jokes? Like, really?
I can't make heads or tails of this coin. Get it?
That one's okay, but what?
It's totally funny because, like, when you flip a coin, it comes out either heads or tails. Come on, that's comic gold.
No, it's. Oh my god. You don't.
That Baron, he's always, I love flying, don't go outside, listen to me, I'm so smart, I'm the boss, my mustache is so macho. That's pretty lame, huh?
That's racist.
Ever see someone put their fist down their throat? Ta-da! Hey, fish! Duck! I need help! Hey!
Are you kidding me? It's like the second lamest one.
Okay, Bentley, it's go time. Make the pull while the Belgian's laughing, or he's sure to feel you fishing for the handkerchief.
Oh, dang it.
Hey! Thief!
I totally forgot about that. I was about
Make
to
the
say,
pull
that's
while he's
not.
laughing and he won't feel a
Look,
thing.
there's like everybody around. And look, I'd be like, oh, haha, no one sees me. Murray, can you shut up? Like, really? Seriously? How does a magnet get a napkin?
Nice work. Meet me outside with the
What?
It's up to the guru now.
My dog's eating goldfish. It's not. Hey dog, stop eating goldfish.
Bentley's en route to me with the monogrammed handkerchief, but we'll never be able to swipe the ice sculpture unless we can get into that armored truck. I agree. The back door should be its weak spot.
That's what she said. What?
Yeah, I'm sure the guards around here won't mind too much if you break the door down with their heads. Bentley set up a waypoint on the truck. Should be handy. The thing's moving pretty fast.
Bentley's set up a waypoint. That doesn't make sense. Grammar. Alright, where's the truck at? What? Ah! Oh my goodness. This is like a heist on its own. Oh, come on! I missed. Where is it at? Okay. Oh no, my soccer pants are in there. What? Where's that wolf at? So, I'm not going to try aiming it. I'm just going to run it into the crack.
It's a good start, but the truck just powered up its automated defenses. You'll have to pay attention on your next approach. Could get sticky.
That's what she said. What? Ah!
Keep it up!
Where did Sly go? Three, the lucky number. Lucky numbers. Three. Oh!
That truck can't hold out for long.
How many times did I hit this dude? Oh, four. Oh, stab me with the pitchfork. I'm the big cheese! I knew I was the big cheese. The guru is the big cheese. Now, where the frick is his... This is like some fast food. Ah! Ah! Too fast, too furious. Come on now. Oh, that was like a clutch.
The back doors are still holding tight, but the top of the vehicle's been blown wide open.
Okay, Sly, your turn. You'll have to sprint hard to catch up, but jumping inside through the roof should be easy.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna sit here. I think it's gonna drive past us in a second. Okay, I guess not. I guess it's not. Ouch! Okay, let's go. Bye! Hey! Hey! Are you kidding me? Come on now. Oh. Kobe!
This is it. Crack the safe and make the swap. No pressure, but I think the driver has figured out where to go. You don't have much time. is sure to blame the Belgians. They'll be all over each other in tomorrow's dogfight.
Wow, that was one thing. Ow! Oh. Now this one right here, I don't know, it's not that, it's kind of fun in a way, but it's super hard. Or the last time I tried it, it was. Oh yeah, why did I forgot to end the video. Okay, well.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.